Hello, first graders. Today we are going to practice using what we talked about yesterday, animals and their classifications. Our target skill for today is I can observe and classify animals by their characteristics, or the things that I see and the things that they do. So, as a review from yesterday, let's take a look at these 6 animal groups. Mammals. They have fur or hair, and mammal babies drink from its mother. Birds have feathers, wings, and a beak. Most birds lay eggs. Reptiles. They have dry skin with scales. Most reptiles lay eggs. Amphibians have smooth, wet skin. They lay their eggs in the water. Fish. Fish have scales, fins, and gills. Fish lay eggs. Insect. An insect has 3 body parts and 6 legs. It also has a hard shell to protect itself. Do you notice anything about these animal groups that are the same? I see that most animals lay eggs. Mammals do not lay eggs. They give birth to live babies. I also notice that both reptiles and fish have scales. How are their scales different? Reptiles have dry scales, and fish use their scales to keep them safe. Now, let's take what we learned and use it to classify animals. Today, you have pictures of different types of mammals, fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and insects. What you are going to do is you are going to cut out these animals and glue them in the right classification or category. One tricky picture I see here, boys and girls, is a human. Going back to look at our clues, which classification do you think we would fall under? Do you have scales or wings? Do you have a hard shell on your back or feathers? We would be mammals, boys and girls. We have fur and hair, and when we are babies, our mothers can feed us. So, boys and girls, it's your turn. Look carefully at these pictures and glue them down into the correct classification. Mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, or amphibians. Have fun, scientists. I'll see you next time.